Mustang. Duke, I was just on 19, he cussed me out. I know he has the tendency to, he knew I was coming back this one. Same signal, he lays about 8 pounds. I mean, lay down, Duke. You can talk Skip if you want to. My. God bless you. I don't care what you do to me. God bless you there. Get over it there and be a real good friend there.
That's the spirit there, Big Bird. That's the spirit. Hello?
Hey, Bird, you made the video gate.
Yeah, he's going in. 120.
I did what?
131. Turn on, shine brake.
I said you made the video gate.
How did I do that?
Well, I hit the record button and you were talking.
Hey, 351, how far away is Big Bird from you? Is he very far away from you?
He's about 20 miles.
Oh, okay, yeah. I don't know what he's running. He's coming in there pretty good, but he doesn't got the signal you got, but he's coming in there, I'm telling you. I don't hear nobody else in there besides you and him. But you got the hammer, but I got him 9, 10, sometimes 20. I got you about 30, 20, 30. But, yeah, he's coming up into here good. I don't know what he's running for an antenna, but he's got a good station also.
I think he's got one of them kickers over there. I think he's running one of them kickers.
Yeah, come on. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, well, then the conditions are right. I don't take the hookup, but, Roger, right on, got it all when you set it all right. I think Roadrunner's going to jam it down again. He's trying to get the cobwebs out of the machine he's got over there. He's got some fans twirling on the top of it. I'm going to listen in again. 357 Tennessee.
All right there, 357. When we get back with you. Hey, Roadrunner, go ahead.
Yeah, Mustang. I was wondering, where you at down there in Central?
Hey, I'll tell you, I'm right in the middle of the state, right in between Tampa and Vero Beach, right where Highway 60 and Highway 27 come together.
Been for you, I know where you at there. Yeah, I used to work on 27 on Claremont. Yeah, no doubt about it. Yeah, I got you. I got a grip on you now. Yeah, you sounded good like 2577 there. Yeah, we're just trying to blow the dust out of this old Cobra 1 top. How about that 118? How about that 118? 131. 131. He's doing a job this evening, Mustang. Appreciate you getting back. We're getting blowing up my radio.
Hey, man, well, I could barely tell when you got off the key that time. They're all jumping up and down and throwing it down and all that good stuff, so... But I did get you on the video gate. You can check it out on YouTube on 351 Radio. Back quiet.
Mike, 351, we appreciate it. I know you said it's starting to get busy down that way. 8351 357 Tennessee.
257 in Tennessee, still out there. Big Bird on breaking.
Hey, Big Bird, yeah, I got you 20 dBs there. I still got you 20 dBs in my radio, Big Bird.
Florida, hello, Spark Plug in Florida. If you got a copy, Jackhammer, Smoky Hills, break it.
257, you got a copy of Big Bird?
Hey, little Spark Plug in my radio. Hey, Big Bird, keep up the good work. 8351, appreciate you rolling the gate. I'll send that gate over to Roadrunner also so he can look at it.
No doubt about it.
351 and Big Bird, 357 Tennessee.
Get off there and
Yeah, it'll be about 10 minutes.
Whatever.
Still got that big hammer. I got somebody else coming up in there. I don't know who it is, but he's talking to Jackhammer. He's coming in pretty hard. I'm going to listen. See what's going down. 357 Tennessee, laying it down.
Yeah, it's funny there, 357. Jackhammer was coming in back this way also. All right, I see you.
We're about 357. You copy Big Bird? I'm talking